Hi guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. In this video we are going to look at Prince TGE, that's token generation event, the total supply, the listing price, and the pre-sale. This is what we are going to cover in this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates. So today, April 27, this is their latest update. It said token generation events. They say we are excited to announce the upcoming token generation event for Beer Aggregator's native token, which is Prince. The TGE detail is as follows. They said token name is Prince, $Prince. The token supply is 1 billion. Wow. The listing price is at 0.01. The FDV is 10 million. Available on pre-sale is 200 million. The TG mini app pre-sale price, we have round 1 to round 3. Round 1 is at $0.005. Round 2 is at $0.0055, and round 3 is at $0.006. White listed is at $0.0065, and public sale is $0.007. So this is the TGE details, and the fact that they are giving us even the listing price shows that this project really know what they are doing. So Print is going to list at the rate of 0.01, which is not bad, if I may say. They say Print's use cases, governance, participate in decision-making processes, and shape the future of aggregator, staking, earn rewards by staking Prince token, referral program, generate unique referral links and earn rewards, discounts. All this one is if you want to participate in the decision making process. Now here is the important date. The pre-sale will start on May 1st at 2 p.m. UTC. Airdrop checker May 5th 2 o'clock p.m. UTC, and pre-sale will end on May 15th at 2 o'clock p.m. UTC, while the token listing is on Steam May 15th at 3 p.m. So on 3 p.m. on May 15th is the token listing. The pre-seller's token claim will still be on that 15th May, and the airdrop claim will still be on that 15th May at 5 o'clock p.m. UTC. So these are the important dates, as the pre-sales will kick off on May 1st and the token listing will happen on May 15th. I hope you are eligible. And now they say get ready, mark your calendars for the TGE and get ready to join the Beer Aggregator community. Stay tuned for updates and announcements. Now this is huge. This is really huge. So they have given us their TGE detail. It's now left for you to take action. Now you need to do the human verification. If you haven't done that, you need to verify yourself. Just click on close. You can now see verification required. You need to copy this. You need to copy this thing. Enter the captcha. Once you enter the captcha is 0. Let me check again. The captcha is 0F3 ZR1 0ZR1. Then you click on verify, and once you verify, you need to pay to complete the human verification. It's going to cost you 0.4 ton to complete. Once you pay it, you complete your human verification. They said we are going to claim our token on 15th of April, sorry, on 15th of May. Now you connect your wallet. If you haven't done that, click on Trust Wallet. You are going to wait for it to redirect you to Trust Wallet. To collect my EVM wallet is not going. I don't know, I've been trying this for a long time. It's still not going. So if you know a method I can use to connect it, please tell me in the comment section. Now we still have the end test session where you do your task. Make sure you do your task. This one is boost. If you want to boost, you can actually boost your account. to boast for 0.5 ton and get 10,000, 100,000 points. You boast for 1 ton. This is not a financial advice, but if you believe in this project, you can as well go right now and boast. So you can see the session print reward that's there. 2 days last for this particular boost. So if you go back to your rewards, this is where you see everything, all your activities, or everything that you have participated, whatever thing that you have done. This is where you are going to tackle all of them. So if you have not done the woman verification, go right now and do it, unless you don't want to be eligible. So that is it for this video. Important information: I'm currently buying and selling USDT, tons, Solana plus, all gas fee. If you want to do any business with me, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'm the admin and I will reply instantly. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.